Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a toy gun using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple materials. You will need a sturdy piece of cardboard, a short section of a small pipe, about 1 inch in diameter, and a hot glue gun. Also, grab a small spring, a strong rubber band, and a sharp craft knife. Don't forget a ruler, a pencil, and some fine grit sandpaper for smooth edges. Now, let's assemble the main body of your toy gun. Begin by cutting 2 identical shapes from your cardboard to form the gun's sides. These should be approximately 10 inches long. Next, carefully glue the 1-inch pipe section, which will serve as your barrel, between these 2 cardboard pieces. Ensure it is centered and firmly attached. Add extra cardboard strips around the barrel for enhanced stability and a more robust feel. Strategically using the glider can dramatically improve your race times. Look for opportunities to glide over rough patches, deep pits, or even entire sections of the track that would otherwise slow you down. For instance, gliding across a large chasm can save you several seconds compared to driving around it. Combining a powerful jump with glider activation allows for incredible distances. Even short, controlled glides can help you recover from awkward landings or maintain momentum over bumpy terrain, keeping your speed high and your progress smooth. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and discuss safe play. Use sandpaper to smooth any rough edges on your cardboard toy gun. You can then paint it with non-toxic paints to give it a more realistic appearance, perhaps using black or silver. Remember, this is a craft project and a toy, not a real weapon. Always use it responsibly and never point it at people or animals. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.